customer's GR Yaris back in to finish off the mapping. It's running one of our Whifbitz turbo kits. This one's got the G25 660 Garrett turbo and all the usual bits we sell with the turbo kit, turbo smart wastegate, turbo smart blow off valve. It's also got one of our built engines with forged pistons and rods, closed deck conversion, bolted cylinder head, Kelford cams, Kelford valve springs. So it's a fully sorted engine. It's also got a Kutuk 7-speed sequential gearbox, which, as you'll see from the video in a minute, makes it super fast through the gears, rapid gear changes, and it makes you feel like you're driving a rally car. We did the pump fuel mapping back in December, where it made 392 wheel horsepower, which is an estimated 467 brake horsepower at the flywheel. And that was on just 99 RON pump fuel at 1.9 bar boost. But today we're going to run it on E80 fuel, so that's 80% ethanol, to see what it can do. Now finished on E80 fuel, running 2.5 bar of boost on the high boost mode. So you've got a little switch ball on the steering wheel so you can run all different maps. On this car we set it up with 4 different maps from low to high. So on the high boost setting it made 530 wheel horsepower, which is an estimated 630 horsepower. Now I know people will argue about our estimation. We had a standard GR Yaris in on our dyno earlier this week and it made 265 horsepower using our estimation, so it is pretty accurate. So this car now is, as far as we know, the highest horsepower GR Yaris in the UK. If you'd like your GR Yaris tuned or just maintained, we do servicing here as well, and we've got a variety of tuning options from stage 1 map up to what you see here, a 630 horsepower fully sorted rally car for the road. If you'd like your GR Yaris modified, please get in touch. Thanks.